Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. And today I got here Plamax Overman King GAINER model kit, and this is from Max Factory, and I'm very glad that I got my hands on this such a expensive kit that I bought from Shopee Philippines. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Overman King GAINER has to offer us. Pamindirahan los kids. Overman King GAINER from Plamax. So there we go. This is a very nice box art here where we can see the Overman, the King GAINER mobile suit or mecha. Actually, I was very positive from year 2022 that someone from Japan will make a model kit of this. If it's not Kotobukiya or Bandai, maybe Modoroid, but good thing it's from Plamax, and Plamax honestly has a good quality of plastic since I built so many Plamax already. So there we go, we got this King GAINER box here. In the side of the box we can see a very nice silhouette of this GAINER here, and I really like the appearance of this kit. It's very unique, and the silhouette is not the typical mecha that we always see like the Gundam model kit. So this is really like a humanoid thing with some Rasta dreadlocks on the hair like that. So I'm very happy for that. And the side of the box here we can see the posing and the rear view, front view, rear view. I just hope that they did two swords like this, because when I saw the plastic here, it's just interchange this thing here. We only got one handle. Anyway, we got the plastic parts here. So we got this kind of blue glossy plastic. We got this pearlescent white, which is very nice. I like this kind of pearlescent vibe here. And there. So this got a very elegant look. There we go. We got for the torso. Then we got this joint parts here. Then for the dreadlocks, we got rubberized hands. So this is a very big hand. Okay. Then we got this blue parts here for the joints. We got red parts, and on the sword we got this short blade and this gun blade here. So it will give me hard time which blade or thing to choose from. Okay. Then we got this yellow pieces here. Then there we got blue parts, and we got this pre-painted parts, okay, for the torso and for the head, which is nice. Then we got this water slide decals here. Okay, what's that then? Anyway, so let's go first with the instruction manual. There we got the same picture from the box art. And for the parts list, we got so many parts here, but mostly small runners. And we got here the very cool looking King GAINER. There we go. So for the instruction manual, this is very cool. This is colored printed, just like the Modoroid Good Smile Company plastic model kits, where everything is color printed, and I much appreciate this kind of instruction manual, by the way. So there we can see those pieces assembling together, and this is very easy as I can judge. It's not that hard to build, and this is a very beginner friendly kit to build. Okay, so we go with the parts. With the parts, it's not that much. Again, it looks like it's just a big high grade model. So we got here runner O for the pearlescent white plastic kit, and judging the plastic quality, the plastic is thick. Yeah, this is thick. I thought that the plastic is not that thick and a bit brittle in feels, in the sense of touch, but this is not brittle. This is hard, yeah, as I can observe. Okay, so there we got this pearlescent runner A. We got runner C here, and runner D for this Rasta dreadlocks plastic. Then we got runner F here for the blue, runner R for the blue, red here for runner I, runner M here for the yellow. Then we got gray parts for the gun, okay, gun sword. So this runner X. Then we got here runner S and runner J for the blue parts. Then we got here runner L, runner K for the pearlescent white plastics, red plastic here for the red parts. This is runner T, both runner T here. Then we got this runner E for the torso parts. Then we got this runner Q, 2 sets of runner Q for this pearlescent colored plastic, runner N here, 2 sets of runner N for the joint parts. Then we got this runner M again, and runner H for the yellow parts. Then this kind of blue, runner V. Then we got this runner U here for the blue parts, another blue parts here for runner G. And for the pearlescent parts, we got runner P, runner W, and runner B. Okay, and for the hands, we got this kind of hands, but unfortunately I might not be using this kind of hands. And there we got this pre-painted part for the head. We got this chest part and the head part. Okay, so let's build this kit. And now we got the finished product of the Overman King Gainer, and this is a very nice kit, to be honest. And I didn't expect that this kit is really tall and very large, because I always think that Plamax are a bit smaller kits, but this one is a big kit. So as we can see here, this is taller than the average Gundam size. So if we're going to compare it with the height of tall Gundam, such as the Gundam Unicorn Banshee here, this is a bit smaller or shorter than the Banshee. But if we're going to compare it with the average size 18 centimeters Gundam model kit master grade, we got here the Gundam Strike Noir. So Strike Noir here is a bit shorter than the Overman King Gainer. So King Gainer here is about 20 centimeters in height, and that's it. So it's a big kit and a big model to include in your shelf. So let's talk about the articulation of the kit. So the head is a bit large, and it looks like an astronaut or an aquanaut, and with the Rasta attached on the head makes it more unique in terms of the design. So the glass that is attached on the face has this pre-painted green, and this is a clear blue plastic part with this kind of silver painting, also pre-painted silver on the glass. So the head can move side to side like this. It can look down and look up well, or a bit, and it can swivel side to side in this manner. So the Rasta dreadlocks here can also move in this manner. So it's up to you if you want to move it like whatever pose you like to do, as long as you'll be careful on moving, because the peg for this Rasta dreadlocks are a bit thin and prone to breakage if you are not mindful. For the shoulder here, the shoulder can raise up to this far, and it can rotate 360 degrees, and there's this hinge on the torso shoulder connector, so it can move into this manner. For the elbow can bend about 90 degrees, okay, but not fully 180 degrees. So there, it's about 100 degrees, something like that. And for the hand, I replaced the hand to dull and decal hands. So there, you can see the difference in the color shade. So this white shade here is pearlescent, but this one is a flat white. Okay. For the torso is made of segmented sections. So for the chest here, it has ball joint. For the abdomen here, it has also ball joint connected to the waist. So this is a 3-segment torso. Okay, so it can also rotate side to side like that. For the legs, you can see an asymmetrical pattern leg, where the knees here on the right side has this kind of cushion, and the left side, it doesn't have any, but it has this kind of weird things, this bag like, or shoulder or waist bag, belt bag something. So there, it has no purpose aside from moving like this. Okay. And for the chain here, this belt here is connected with ball joints in front, but on the back, I mean, but in the front, it's not connected with any means. So it's like a floating garment here, like that. For the knees, it can bend double jointed, so it can bend like this. Okay. Also, the other side can bend double jointed as well. And for the feet, I really like the appearance of the feet. It's really cool. The color pattern is blue, yellow, and pearlescent white. So the feet can swivel side to side like that. Okay, it can do some plantar extend and minimal plantar flex like that. For the sword is made of this handle and this blade here. So we got two kinds of blade. The other is the stubby short blade, and this one is the long rounded point here. I think this one is supposed to be a gun, but I much like the longer sword here instead of the shorter gun, so I use this as my initial weapon. Okay, sword can also be deployed or applied on the hoister or holster here at the back. So I didn't I prefer the sword to be handheld, because this clip here is a bit tight. So if you're going to attach it in the holster, this would be very tight. So I'm afraid I might break this tube here if I'm going to put it there. Okay, so that's it. This is a very nice kit, beginner friendly kit, easy kit to build, and I didn't encounter any fitting issues with this kit. Of course, this is from Plamax factory, and those kits are very beginner friendly kit, but not not a budget friendly because it's very expensive. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching this review. See you next time.
Halimbawa itong makita electronic gadgets, no? Reviewers, bag. Kung halimbawa sa first day kasi sigurado meron pa yan, no? Since sa transition period pa tayo, ililista po yung pangalan nila, no?